Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to bridge some Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet on the BASE blockchain. Now below this video, you should see this little banner here that says SimpleSwap, buy and sell crypto at the best rates. Click on that. That will bring you over to this page. You'll have a little pop up here to accept the cookies. So just got that. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to use this tool here to get ourselves some BASE into our MetaMask wallet that we should have already added the BASE chain to. So from this drop down, I'm going to choose the token that I want to send, and I'm going to use Tether on the Binance Smart Chain. And then what I need to do is to say what token I want to receive. Now I want to receive Ethereum, but I don't want it on the Ethereum network. I want it on the BASE chain network. So I click down here. So I type in ETH, and as you can see, the very top one is Ethereum on the Ethereum blockchain. But I want this one, Ethereum on the BASE one. So I'm going to click on that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to send over $100 and then click on exchange. That will bring me to this screen where it says add exchange details. So I'm sending 100 Tether from the Binance Smart Chain, and I want to get Ethereum on the BASE chain. So it says here, enter the wallet address. So this is the recipient's wallet address. Well, that's obviously your wallet address. So you come up to your MetaMask wallet and you just click on this link here. That address is the same for every token on MetaMask. So I just pop that into there and click paste. And then I click on here to create the exchange. Now, what it's asking me to do is to either scan this QR code or copy this address and send the 100 Tether to that address. So I copy that, come up to my MetaMask wallet, find my Tether and click send. Paste that into there and type in 100. Paste that into there and type in 100. And then click continue. And then click confirm, and you'll see that this says pending inside my wallet. So that's now confirmed here, and I want to just stay on this screen. As you see now, it says pending deposit, and now we've got to wait to get that confirming. It says confirming, then it will say exchange, and then it will say sending. So we just wait for that process to complete. You'll now see that it's confirming is done, and now it's exchanging. The exchanging is now complete and it now says sending. So that's now all done. That took about 10 minutes to do. So you want to stay on this screen until it's done. But if I now come up to my MetaMask wallet, I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. So I want to change over to BASE. So I click on this drop down arrow and I want to look for BASE. There's BASE. Go to tokens and you can see that my Ethereum, I've got just under $100 worth of Ethereum sitting inside my MetaMask wallet on the BASE network. And that's how you add Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet on the BASE blockchain.